In this video, we will talk about how to bridge Ethereum to Arbitrum easily and quickly. So first, what you need to do is head over to bridge.arbitrum.io. This is the official site where you can move Ethereum from your MetaMask wallet to your Arbitrum wallet. Before doing that, make sure Arbitrum is added as a network in MetaMask. If it isn't showing, simply go to add network and enter the details manually. For the network name, use Arbitrum1, then copy the RPC URL and other settings into the fields and save. If you need the details, you can easily find them by searching add Arbitrum to MetaMask. Once Arbitrum is set up, return to bridge.arbitrum.io. Here I have 0.046 Ethereum, but I'll only bridge 0.03 to leave some for fees. That should cover the gas cost, which is a few dollars. Now click move funds to Arbitrum1 and approve it in your MetaMask. The transfer begins right away, and while it can take up to 15 minutes, mine was completed in just seconds. To see your funds, switch your wallet to the Arbitrum network and you'll notice your Ethereum balance updated there. That's how you bridge from Ethereum to Arbitrum. Thanks for watching.